Welcome back. Today we have more Tundra content with a guest Tundra in the garage. So we'll be putting on some Tyger running boards and walking you through the steps. Stick around. The kit comes with 2 running boards, 8 brackets, and all the necessary hardware to put it in. So when you line these up, they have a letter on the bracket. So you'll need to check the directions to note the location of those brackets. And then we'll put those on first before we attach the running board. All right, so you want to start by just loosely putting the bolts in finger tight. You'll see one bracket goes towards the front. The second bracket has this triangle in it, and then the 2 back brackets on the driver's side are identical. Again, just put all of the bolts in hand tight. So the next step, once you have all of the brackets loosely attached, is to go ahead and line up the step itself. There are 2 bolts. There's the one on the bottom, and then there's the one on the back side. So you want to get those started again loosely, and then we'll level this up and tighten it all down. So start by tightening the brackets to the body. And once those are all tightened down, then go ahead and tighten the lower bracket here on the bottom, because all of your adjustment is on the back side of the bracket. On the back there, you can see it, and maybe see my smiling face through the crack. Once you get it all tightened down, go ahead and double check all the bolts, and then repeat for the other side. All right, so once you get both sides tightened down, that's it. You're done. And that's what it looks like. Looks pretty good. Thanks for watching.